Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add products onto your ClickFunnels page so that you can sell your products to your clients. Okay, so in this example I have already built a sales funnel and I'm actually on the order form page. This is the only page where you can actually add products so that your clients can choose and buy them. So I'm going to give you guys an example of how it looks finally, and then we're going to work our way backwards and I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so over here, this is an order page where clients can choose product. In this case, if it's a water bottle and it's for $10, and so the client puts their personal information, their credit card info, they click on submit, and they'll be able to purchase this product. So this is what we'd like to create, and to do this, we're going to be covering this now in this video. Okay, so like I mentioned, the sales page is already created. It's very simple to create. If you want to make one really fast, I made a video where I take you step by step how to create a sales funnel. But just to give you an overview, you click on build funnel, and then you choose the option for buying a product, and it's going to actually give you this entire process built in. It's super fast, super easy. Please watch my other video. I go in step by step and I show you exactly how to do it. And this one, I've actually I came to the order form page, and we're going to be adding a product now. All right, so we're going to click on products, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this. All right, so you see here that I've already added a product. For this example, I want to show you how to do it, so we're going to be adding another one. Okay, so in this video as well, my Stripe account has already been integrated into ClickFunnels. If you don't know how to do this, I actually made a video showing you how to integrate Stripe into ClickFunnels so that you can actually accept payments. There are other methods as well, like PayPal. If you guys do use that platform to charge payments, to accept payments, and you want me to make a video, I can do that for you. In this example, we're just going to be doing it with Stripe. And we're going to use only a one-time payment just to make this very simple. So we have already integrated Stripe and we're using a one-time payment. We're going to scroll down. We're going to click on save and next, and it's going to bring us to the next step. All right, so in this section here, we're in the product details. We're just going to be creating a name of the product. Okay, so let's say this one is it's a course, or it's a product, right? Let's say it's a toothbrush. Okay, it's expensive toothbrush. It's $30. Okay, so we're not going to fill in the information of shipping here, just because we want to make this simple. But if you were shipping an actual product, then you would obviously write in the information, and this is the origin of the address. Okay. You can also put in the information over here, like the name of the product and the description, so that once it gets charged on someone's credit card statement, that's the information you would see here. We're not going to be doing a bump product, and we're not going to be having any inventory of this. It's unlimited, and I want to keep this video very simple, so that's where we're clicking on next. And we're moving along. So in this one, there's no product variation, so we can skip that by clicking save and go next. All right, so in this example, it's going to ask you to choose a thank you page. Well, you could choose a thank you page, but in this example, because we're going to be going next to the order confirmation, we don't need to do that. So we're just moving along into the next process, and we're going to click on save and next. All right, so we don't need any follow-up action for this. We're just going to click save and next. So this is a physical product, but for this example, let's just imagine it wasn't. Let's just say that the toothbrush was like a digital product. So a digital product meaning just information about toothbrushes. We're just selling that information, so we're not going to be choosing this. We're just going to save and go next, and I'm going to be showing you how it's going to look like in the summary page. So for billing, it says it's integrated with Stripe. It's a one-time product type. The name of the product is toothbrush. Price is $30. It's in USD, and it says success. Product is saved. So now when we go back to return to product list, I'm going to show you how it's going to look like. So we have $10 water bottle and $30 toothbrush. If anyone does want to buy this, I'm just kidding. I'm not selling this, but I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you guys, and you guys can look at what is going to be available now when I present this. And like, this is live currently, so if you actually visit this URL, you can actually see it. So they actually have the choice now of choosing one or the other product. Okay, so if I wanted to buy the toothbrush because I needed to clean my teeth, or if I want to get, you know, a water bottle to protect myself and stay hydrated, you know, I could do that. And just based on your business, right, whatever business that you have, you can list the products and people can choose, and then when they put in the credit card information and provide their personal info, then we can sell them the product. So, and like I mentioned, this is live right now. As soon as I added the product, people can start paying for this right away, and it just took a couple of minutes, right? So this is very powerful, and this is how you add products into ClickFunnels. So if you found this video useful, I would appreciate if you can leave me some positive feedback so I can know you know, what kind of videos you guys like and what to put in the future. If you would like me to focus on some parts of this process, I can also do that. Just please leave me a comment at the bottom. Yeah, if you have any more questions, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. And that's it for this video, guys, and talk to you guys in the next one.